Hello friends, how you doing today? Welcome to my channel and thank you so much for joining me. I'm here learning my Dremel today, so I thought I'd share as I learn. And I have used a drill before, but not a whole lot. I think I drilled some holes in the wall to hang things before, where I don't know, I'm sure I drilled other holes, but not a lot, you know what I mean? So I just used my husband's drill bit, and I think I had a little battery operated one at one time, which I don't know what happened to it. But anyway, my boys and my sons and my husband asked me what I wanted for Christmas, and I told them I just wanted the cheapest Dremel and some drill bits. I didn't know if it came with it or not, but they got me this from Walmart, Dremel 100. This is the box. I finally opened it today. Almost 3 months, right? Or 2.5 months since Christmas. So this is what it looks like. I guess it's a little hanger. You can hang it up somewhere if you wanted to. It is plugged in right now. I have been practicing with it. So I have discovered that I can use, here's the drill bits they got me. It came in a plastic package, which I already took off. And you just open it like that, and you can get your drill bits in and out. So I've got in here right here, the next to the largest one. And I think what I figured out was I need another little attachment to use these tinier ones here. Can you see those? And see the tiniest one there? Yeah, I think I need an attachment because I can't get any of those to stay in there. So there's a little attachment I can get to be able to use these. I believe that's what I'm figuring out here. I haven't checked in with my husband yet. I'm just doing this on my own right now. He may or may not know. I mean, he is a woodworker and carpenter, so he knows a lot about this kind of stuff, but I don't know if he knows the Dremel. He said he had one. Actually, I've been waiting for a couple years because he said he had one. He said he would get it for me. I'm like, did you get it yet? Did you find it? Where is it? Do you have one or not? And finally he said, well, I don't know. I thought I had one, but I can't find it. So then he got me this one for Christmas, him and the boys. So, so yeah, I am learning it on my own for the moment. But yeah, I've got this one next to the biggest one here, and it's plugged in. And it has a cord, so you don't have to worry about batteries or anything wearing out. I have this little pad here to protect my surface. I drilled through this, a little chest piece. It's plastic, and there's my hole right there. I looked at my piece and I said, where would I want a hole like? And since this was the biggest hole right here, the biggest drill bit, I had that one in there. I wanted to see what that looked like, and I wanted it big enough to fit like a ball chain through there, or I can put twine through there. And I kind of tested this one. I put a little piece of, I put a little bulb pin through this one. This one's wood, a little wood chest piece, and I put a little, see the bulb pin there? So super cute, right? So that one. And then I kind of just played around with this dice a little bit. It's like one of those hard kind of, I don't know, resin or plastic or whatever that is, dice. So, but what I want to do with the dice is be able to use a screw eye. So I have some screw eyes. I didn't get them out today because I need to use the smaller drill bit for those, and I need that attachment. So I'm not going to really mess around with that today, but I did drill that middle hole right there just to see, excuse me, oh, sorry, how hard it would be to drill through here. So I'm going to show you how I kind of like tested things. This is a wooden, I don't know if I'll do this one today. I was just kind of looking at my pieces. This is a little wooden game piece, and I think I'd like to drill maybe a little hole right there would be cool, but I need that smaller piece to use my smaller drill bits. This one too. See how this is from the Sorry game, I believe. But see how small this is, so I want to use a smaller drill bit. I drilled one through this. I thought that would be cool on a ball chain or twine or something, but also I put it in a place where I could hang. Something could go through that little hole there and it could hang from it. You know what I mean? So I kind of looked at where I wanted the hole before I drilled it, and then drilled it. So we're going to drill a few together here, and I'll show you what I've been doing. I guess I could leave that on there in case I need it, right? Okay, so let's see, I did want to try, let's see, what haven't I tried? I tried a wood, but I'll show you. I'll try wood and So this one I might want to put a hole right through the side there. We'll try that one. And we'll try another wooden one. I'll show you how it's working out for me. And like, I'll show you what I won't do right now. Another one like this one. This one, because of the shape of it, I probably would want to use the smaller one in the top here. So I would say, you know, you be real careful. I did watch Jessica Rapp's video on, I think the most recent video. I think I watched her do a couple of videos on this, and the most recent one did say wear safety glasses. So, and she did, and in the instructions it says it too, wear safety glasses and unplug the Dremel when you're changing your drill bit. So here's a wooden one, and what I did to kind of learn carefully, I don't have the little holder that Jessica has, but I thought, well, you know, I didn't want to spend that much money on it right now, so I said, let me see how I can do this without that thing, because, you know, just, I don't know, that just added, made it a lot more expensive if I were to get that. But let's see. So yeah, I got my drill bit. I'm not going to go into showing you how to put the drill bit in. Jessica does a great job of that, so I could try to link her video below so that you can see how she explains how to put the drill bits in and everything, and a little piece that you need to go in here with the smaller drill bits. But what I did, I took it and just got a good grip on it like this, you know, good grip, good solid grip on it. And so, like, I'll turn it on. It's not super noisy, but it's a little noisy. So I turn it on carefully. If you're accident prone, you might want to be really careful, or not do this, not even attempt to do it. But I figured, you know, I'm pretty handy for a girl, so I figured I could handle it, hopefully, right? So you turn it on, get a good grip on it. See how I have a good grip on it? I've got my pieces. Let me tell you, I've got my piece, and these pieces are big enough for me to hold on to and not worry about drilling through my fingers, but you still have to be really careful, you know what I mean? Or not kind of nicking my finger with this or anything. So I'll show you what I'm talking about. I'm going to try to just do it and not talk, and then I'll talk after I do it. So let me just show you quickly. So I'd say you just have to be careful when you're moving around. You don't want to touch the drill bit. I haven't used it enough for it to get hot or anything, but it probably does get really hot. It's got the sawdust in here. So if you have allergies and hay fever, you know, I could feel it in my in my breathing here. But or asthma, you might want to wear a mask. You know, one of those masks that keeps the dust out of your lungs or your breathing anyway. So there's my hole. And I went up and down a couple times. I know it's right down. My camera's probably right down. You couldn't see that well, but I was what I did when I first tried it, I kind of took the drill and I went onto the piece to see what does it do when I touch it, when I just touch it. And it didn't bounce around or anything, but I did have that solid grip on it. And then I just started slowly, you know, I didn't just go jam it down in there. I started slowly pushing on it so that it could start drilling. And then I went down through, and then you saw me lifting it up a little bit. I was trying to see if it went all the way through, and it hadn't. So I kind of kept going a little bit more until it, you know, broke through the other side. So got a nice little hole right in the edge there that I can put something through. So this one I thought I'd put through, you know, go through the side, like the inside right here and out. And that will be a good place to put something through. So I'll go ahead and do this one. Okay, so that one was easy. This is thin plastic. And I just went right down in there. And here's my, I don't know if you can really see it, but it's right here. My little hole right there. Can you see that? I just went with my drill bit right down in there and it went through really quick. You saw it. So that one's done. Let's see, let me put all the done ones. The ones I'm not going to do right now. Done. Done, done. I'm not doing, this one's done. Okay, so let me see if there's any more we want to practice on. I haven't done a little, I did a hotel. I'm going to do a hotel. This one might be good. This one's a little bit thicker on the, no, I think I want to do this one through the top. And a little house maybe. I'm going to try a house. Now this is small. I don't know if I can do this. But Jessica showed it where you can use your, like some pliers to hold on to something, because this is so small. I wouldn't try to hold on to this with my fingers and drill it. That's just asking for trouble, right? So let's see if there's any way for me to do this. Like I was going to try something else. It was too small and slippery. I was like, no, I'm just not going to do that. And plus it was glass, so I just thought, well, I need a special drill anyway. Let's see. Let's see if I can do this without even touching it, maybe. Put it down on here. Let's see. So I could do this. Hold it like that. If I need to hold it still. Let's just see it. This is a mat that I'm not worried about. I got this at Dollar Tree. So if I'm poking holes in it like I am right there, I'm not worried about it. I'm not going into my cutting mat here. So that's really what my most concern would be. And this I would just, you know, this is, I would consider disposable, this little green one. So I can go get myself another one. Or just use this when I use the Dremel until I feel like I need another one. But let's go ahead and see if there's any way to do this or not real quick. See, it kind of skipped away, didn't it? I don't think I can do the that like that. I wonder if I can put one through the top here. But then what would I don't know. Let's just try that real quick. Let's try that. I'm not going to waste time trying. I wonder if I can go through this way. I'm not giving up, am I? The problem is I can't get a hold of it to hold it down, so it's just kind of like so small. And I don't want to give you guys a heart attack online or on the video to trying to drill through this. So I think I'm going to skip this one for right now. But I think there probably is a way. I just need to figure out. It might be able to go down through here. But then what am I going to put? What am I going to attach it to? You know what I mean? So I'm going to think about that one. But this one, I already did a hotel. Those are a little bit bigger. So you know, I put the hole right there in the corner, kind of in the corner. So I could, you know, be able to get something through there. So this one I can hold on to. So let me do this one real quick. Yep, just went right through there pretty easily. Another, kind of like the same as the other one, because kind of was aiming for the corner right there. You know, it was down like this, aiming for the corner, and then I just kind of gently, you know, pushed a little bit at a time, and it went right through. Because this is, you know, it's pretty thin plastic. It's not the thinnest of plastic, but it's pretty thin. So I got my another hole right there, which, you know, you can put a piece of twine or a ball chain probably, or one of these again. This will fit through there probably. Yeah, see, like that. So, so there you go. Learning the Dremel. Learning the Dremel. That's what I'm doing today. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll let you know when I get that other piece, and I can, this is the plastic. Let's see, did it get hot? It's not hot yet. It's not hot. Let me unplug it real quick. I don't want, it's off, but I don't want to be touching the, probably not supposed to touch it when it's, so it's unplugged. This is just, got plastic on there from that red, have to figure out how to get that off of here. But maybe my husband knows a trick about that. He's probably like, no, you can't get it off, right? No, it's on there. It's pretty hard. That plastic, I don't know if it melted on there or what, but anyway, that was fun, and I would like to get some more game pieces in here and try some different, I don't have any of my, this is all I have in here right now, some dice and all these little pieces I just had. Here's some Cheerio, hi-ho Cheerio cherries, but I don't think I can, I'm not going to drill through those. I don't know what I'm going to do with those, but I should put them in my Etsy, because I really don't, I don't have anything to do with those, so I'll put them in my, I have a game piece listing. Actually, I need to take those in there and add them to my game pieces. This is not my game piece listing. This is just some extra pieces I had in here. So anyway, that was fun. I'll let you know when I get that other little attachment that I need to use my smaller drill bits, and we'll have another drilling session. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed learning the Dremel with me, and I will see you all in my next video. Have a great day, and I'll talk to you later. Happy crafting.